Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Use Basics. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to log into your Atlas Earth account. To log into Atlas Earth, the first thing you'll need to do is to launch open the Atlas Earth application from your app drawer. If you don't have the app already, go ahead and download it from your Google Play Store or your App Store. Once you launch open the app, wait for it to load. After a few minutes, you will be able to see this interface where you'll need to tap on I agree. You will now see two options where it says login with Facebook or login with Google. Select any one option of your choice. Since I previously signed up to Atlas Earth with Google, I'm going to have to tap on the same option over here. If you previously logged in with Facebook, you can tap on login with Facebook and follow the prompts. After tapping on login with Google, you will be taken to this Google website where you'll need to choose your Google account or type in your email address for your Google account and tap on next. Also make sure to enter your password in the text box that is associated with your Google account. Right after you do that, click on next at the bottom right and you will be able to log into your Atlas Earth application. So that is how you can easily log in or sign into your Atlas Earth account. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.